Getting ready for a big day on the water today. Wife and I, just us. Kids are away. We're looking for some big fish, some pike, big bass. Going on the river. See you in a bit.
That's because everything, that's because it's so wet because he keeps falling in. We'll have to just leash him or something.
No, get out of here. Yeah, sit. Please just sit. Because you're on my line. Now my line's out of here. Come on, you gotta get off. Get your leg out of here, please. Motherfucker. You.
Well, hopefully he'll be this interested in the ducks. Can I have those blue things real quick?
I'm fucking dripping. Next time go on Daddy's end so he can let you in. Oh, all the fur is all over my fingers.
Oh, we can take him over to Rainbow Beach after and just...
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Alright, try something a little different. Chatterbait. Feel it in the weeds. Oh, there's one. He hit it right in the drop.
You got one?
Yep, he hit it on the drop.
Nice. Look at the fish, Rip. Oh my God, he's big, Kevin.
No, he's not that big.
No?
He's
Oh,
good size.
that's a decent sized fish.
I'll take it.
Wow. What the fuck, man? Why can't I catch a fish?
I don't know. He, like I said, he swallowed it as it hit the water.
Not fair.
Look at that, Rippy. What's this?
Let me take a picture. What's Daddy got, Rip? Daddy?
Well, fish just weren't biting today. We just got that one bass. We were out for about 3.5, 4 hours. We threw everything. Shallow water, top water, deep, middle column, bright colors, shallow colors, dark colors, everything. We threw everything. They just weren't biting. Sometimes they just don't bite. Well, now we're just back making some lunch, having an adult beverage. See you in the next time.